Hi friends, Mrs. Usman. I have some homework for you to do at home. You can have help from your parents, and when you're finished, send it to me and I'll look at it and send it back to you. So here's something regarding your birthday. So it says happy birthday to. Have your name written on that line at the bottom, right when your birthday is, and either draw a picture of you or put a picture of you and decorate the sides. Have fun doing that. September is a month where we have our starter questions. What is your favorite toy? So either take a picture of it or draw a picture and send that back. We also have a project of how many people live at your house. We're sending people that are here. You can decorate them, babies, dogs, cats. If you need more, let me know and we'll send you more. Decorate them, put them on the house, and have fun. See you later. Bye, friends.